In today's video, we're going to take it back to the basics and talk about how to start real estate investing coming up. What's up, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs. Welcome to another video. Listen, in today's video, I want to take it back to the basics and help you to understand your reason why you want to be a real estate investor in the first place. So we're going to talk about what the main goal is. But in addition to that, I'm going to jump into the three main ways of making money in real estate. Then we're going to talk about a wild card method that works with all of these strategies as well. The reason why I wanted to shoot this video in the first place is because there's a lot of noise out there, right? You hear a lot of different people telling you to do this in real estate and do that in real estate. I want to offer you some clarity, especially for a beginning real estate investor. I want you to understand your reason why you're in this business in the first place. Now, before I jump into all of this content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, and also share this video with a few of your friends so that others who are looking to get started in the real estate business can get some clarity in their business as well and how to get started as a real estate investor. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing I want to talk about today is getting clarity on your reason why you decided to become a real estate investor in the first place. Now, when I first started in the real estate business, I didn't have clarity. I didn't have a clear understanding of what I personally wanted as a real estate investor. And the reason for that was because I was 21 years old, right? I didn't know the type of power that this type of business had when it comes to changing your financial life. So when I first started, I was basing what I wanted out of the business off of what I saw others with. And a lot of that is happening today with social media. You can use Instagram as an example, right? You might go on Instagram and see someone who's a so-called real estate investor putting shiny objects in front of your face. We call that the shiny object syndrome. So it wasn't until I was already in the business for a little while where I finally got the clarity on what I wanted out of the business. So the first thing when it comes to investing in real estate or becoming a real estate investor or starting your real estate investing journey is clarity. You have to be clear on what you want. So think 3 to 5 years out. The average person who comes into the real estate business can easily retire or be well off within a 3 to 5 year time frame if you're clear on what you want. So think about your current circumstances and figure out, based on those circumstances, what you truly want out of the business. What sparked your interest to come on this video or to come on YouTube or any other social media platform in order to start digging into learning the real estate investing business? What is it? Are you looking to make some quick cash to pay off debt? Are you looking to fix and flip houses in order to build up huge cash reserves? Are you looking for passive monthly income? You see, when I first started in the business, I was looking for quick cash. As I started building my family, I started looking for more passive income. So whatever your situation is right now, whatever decision you decide for yourself and your personal reason why you're starting in the business in the first place can change over time. So the first thing is to really get clear on what you want. What do you want your life to look like in 3 to 5 years from right now? Once you have that clear understanding of what you want out of the business, then a strategy that you decide to build your business around will ultimately support whatever that decision is. Now, let's talk about the strategies that are involved, the three main ways to get started in the real estate investing business. Now, there's wholesaling real estate, there's rehabbing real estate, and there's also buy and hold real estate. Those are ultimately the three ways that you can make money in real estate. And obviously, there's a bunch of creative things that you can do with all three of these strategies in order to support your end goal, right? So what exactly is wholesaling real estate? You might have heard that wholesaling was the best way to get started as a real estate investor. And that can be the best way to start based off of what you decided your end goal is, right? So let's talk about wholesaling for a second. Basically, when it comes to wholesaling real estate, all you're doing is becoming a master marketer. And as you become a master marketer, you're learning how to talk to people in order to negotiate win-win situations, win-win deals with them. And as you create these win-win deals, the object with wholesaling is to contract properties at a discount, and then ultimately find a buyer that you can sell your contract to through what's called an assignment of contract, or you can use cash to purchase the property and then find a buyer and sell the property to that buyer at a higher price. That's called a double close. Now, that's just two ways to wholesale properties. There's multiple ways to do it. I'll be sure to link a video up at the top so that you can get a clearer understanding of how that actually works. But again, when it comes to wholesaling, just to recap that, all you're doing is purchasing properties at a discounted price with the intent of selling that property for more money within a short period of time. Now, the average profit for us and my real estate investing business in the current market that we're in right now is somewhere between $8,000 and $20,000, give and take. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it can be a little less, but $8,000 to $20,000 is about the window that we're in right now when it comes to wholesaling real estate. Now, the main reason to wholesale real estate, in my humblest opinion, and I've been doing this for 20 years, is to build up quick cash and to get a consistent supply of deals. Remember, I said you want to be a master marketer as a wholesale real estate investor. Well, when you become a master marketer as a wholesaler, you learn how to find great rehab deals. You also learn how to find great buy and hold deals as well. So generally, a wholesaler is great at finding great deals. But the difference between wholesaling and the other strategies that we spoke about is the exit strategy that you're looking to execute on the other end. So if you need quick cash right now and you're looking to get out of debt and maybe build up some cash reserves, wholesaling is a great way to start the real estate investing business with very little capital and no credit or anything like that needed. Very low risk to get involved when you're wholesaling as well, because all you're really doing is controlling a piece of real estate for a short period of time with the intent of making a profit. And think about wholesaling like a pawn shop, right? When you go to the pawn shop with your item and you need some money, they're not going to give you top dollar because they have to make a profit on the other end, right? When a motivated seller contacts you, you're going to offer them a discounted price with the intent of making some money on the other end as well. So wholesaling can be likened to the pawn shop business. Basically, all you're doing is buying low and selling for a little bit more. That's what the wholesaling strategy is. So that's the first main way to make money in the real estate investing business. The second way to make money in real estate is through the rehabbing business, the fix and flip business. Now, the difference between wholesaling and rehabbing is rehabbing will take up a lot of your time. It takes some knowledge to understand how to work the numbers to be able to do these types of deals. You have to know how to work with contractors. You have to know how to control people and operate a team. And in addition to that, you have to understand that you're going to need access to capital. If you're at a point in your life right now where you have access to some capital and you don't have a lot of time to go out finding a bunch of real estate deals like a wholesaler would, then rehabbing may be the option for you. Now, when it comes to rehabbing, our average profit in this market right now is somewhere between $30,000 to $50,000. Now, again, that can be a little higher. It can be a little lower. It can go upwards of $100,000 on a deal. But the point is, these profits are going to be larger than your average wholesale deal. Rehabbing is your basic buy, fix, and sell model, and you're looking to purchase the property at a deep enough discount to where you can still make a profit on the property. So we've gone over wholesaling, which is basically assigning contracts or doing double closings on real estate deals. We've gone over rehabbing, which is basically buying a house, putting some money into the property to fix it up, and then looking to sell it for top market value on the other end. The third main way to make money in real estate is through buy and hold. And that's where you build the passive income streams. When it comes to buy and hold investing, all you're looking to do is purchase a property. Doesn't matter what the price range is, because you can make money whether it's a discounted property or if you were to pay closer to market value for the house. But the object when it comes to buy and hold is to keep the property for a longer period of time and realize the passive income stream from the property every single month. So when it comes to buy and hold, price doesn't really matter as much as the amount that you're bringing in every single month. If your rents can cover your mortgage, all of your debt service and everything like that, and still provide you with a positive net profit on the other end every single month, then it's a good deal, right? So that's what the buy and hold strategy is. And generally, when it comes to buy and hold, you want to accumulate a lot of real estate in order to be able to make a substantial amount of money every single month with this strategy. So with buy and holds, what we generally look for are somewhere around $200 per door. And what that means is if we have, let's say, 4 different houses, we're looking to make $200 per house. When I say per door, we're talking about per house. That's just real estate lingo, right? So generally 4 houses should make us a minimum of $800 per month. Now, there's benefits to doing wholesaling. There's benefits to doing rehabbing. There's a lot of benefits to doing buy and hold. You got tax benefits. You get the passive monthly income, and you can combine all of these strategies when it comes to buy and hold as well. You can buy at a discount. You can buy at top market value. But there's also a wild card strategy that you want to be mindful of, and that's creative real estate investing. And when it comes to creative investing, you can purchase these properties with no money out of pocket. You don't need a lot of experience to be able to do this once you have a clearer understanding of how it actually works. When it comes to creative investing, you can still do fix and flips, but you'll use a creative way of acquiring the property. You can still do the buy and holds. And in fact, that's one of my favorite strategies when it comes to creative investing. But the creative investing method is really a wild card because you can generally do all 3 of the main strategies rolled into one main strategy, where you got subject tos and wraparound mortgages and owner financing and lease options and things like that, which will allow you to accumulate all 3 of the main strategies and make a ton of money as a real estate investor. Now, I have playlists on each of these strategies on my YouTube page, and you can be sure to check out the playlist up at the top. I'll be sure to link those cards up there for you. But if you want a more in-depth training on how creative investing actually works, in addition to wholesaling and all of these other strategies that we spoke about, be sure to check the description box for a link that says more from Jamel, and you'll get access to a page which will invite you to a free online training that I have teaching the creative investing method. Be sure to check that out. But generally, the goal of this video was to share with you the 3 main ways to make money in real estate and why it's important to set goals up front to get a clear understanding of exactly what you want out of this business. Because as you can see, once you have a clear understanding of what you want out of the business, then you'll know which direction to take your business in. So there's 3 things I want you to do as an assignment today, okay? I want you to set a goal for yourself, get a clear understanding of what you want out of the real estate business. What is your reason why you're becoming a real estate investor? Then I want you to pick one of the paths that we spoke about today. Are you looking for quick cash as a wholesaler? Are you looking to build up huge cash reserves as a rehabber? Or are you looking for passive income streams as a buy and hold investor? Get clear on that, right? And then figure out how you can use creative real estate investing to be able to do all of this. But learn the basics of whatever it is that you want to attack as a real estate investor. So number 1, set the goal. Number 2, learn the basics of the strategy that you need in order to hit the goal. And then number 3, simply take action. And that's what's going to get you from where you are right now as a brand new real estate investor or someone looking to get started to where you want to go, which is your end goal as an investor. With the understanding that within 3 to 5 years, you can be completely finished and retired as a real estate investor. I hope you found benefit in this video today. Do me a favor, share this video, like this video, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.